Hey, IdeaPlex Creators, are you ready to bring your stories to life without needing a full animation studio? What if I told you that in just a few minutes, you could turn your ideas into fully animated videos with consistent characters, professional voiceovers, and stunning visuals? Well, that's exactly what AnimateAI does. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or just someone with a creative idea, this tool is a game changer. Most animators struggle with time, cost, and consistency, but AnimateAI automates characters, storyboards, and even voiceovers. Let's dive in. AnimateAI is marketed as the world's first all-in-one AI video generator, specifically tailored for animation series, offering tools for character generation, storyboarding, and video production with 10x faster creation and 30% cost savings compared to traditional methods. Simply share your story idea, and AI will generate characters perfectly tailored to your narrative, making storytelling intuitive, engaging, and efficient. Design and customize unique characters with personalized styles, outfits, and voices, then save them for instant reuse. Whether you're crafting multi-episode stories or starting fresh, AnimateAI ensures character consistency and seamless continuity. Additionally, AnimateAI integrates with various AI models and tools, including GPT-4, Claude, Flux, Midjourney, 11 Labs, and others, to enhance storytelling capabilities. AnimateAI stands out as a top choice, offering an AI storyboard generator that transforms your scripts into editable, fully detailed storyboards in minutes. With integrated visuals, scene descriptions, narration, and voiceovers, it simplifies the entire creative process, making it intuitive and efficient for creators of all levels. Unlock your storytelling potential with all-in-one AI tools. Generate text with GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini. Create visuals with Flux and Midjourney. Add professional voiceovers with 11 Labs. Compose music with Suno. And produce videos using Runway, Kling, Minimax, and Luma. With AI video generation on autopilot, you can effortlessly create full-length videos without lifting a finger. Alright, first things first, head over to AnimateAI Pro and sign up. AnimateAI offers a free plan that allows you to create animation videos at no cost. With the free plan, you receive 40 credits per month, plus an extra 60 bonus credits monthly for daily logins. While using the free plan, your videos will include a watermark and have some feature limitations compared to the paid plans. If you need more credits, advanced features like watermark-free downloads or fast-track generation, you can upgrade to the standard or pro plan at any time. So, when you first log into AnimateAI, this is what you'll see, your main dashboard. It's clean, easy to use, and has all the essential tools you need. On the left side, you have your creations, a list of all the projects you've worked on, and new story creation. This is where you can start fresh by describing your story in a few sentences. Right here, you can type your story idea, select your aspect ratio 16:9 for widescreen, and choose the video resolution 720p for now, but expect more options in future updates. On the right panel, we have something exciting, the AnimateAI Vibe feed. Here, you can see what other creators are making. Right now, there's an animation called Aladdin's Whimsical Adventure, made with AI tools like GPT-4o, Midjourney, and Minimax. If you're feeling inspired, you can comment, or explore other projects right here. This is a great way to engage with the AnimateAI community and get ideas for your next big project. Now, let's take a look at one of my projects. This one is called The Solitary Sleuth, a Cosmic Conundrum, a futuristic sci-fi detective story. Here's where you outline the core idea of your story. My character, Detective Max, is a lone wolf solving cosmic mysteries. Check out this cool 3-view design of Max. AnimateAI automatically generates characters based on your input. This is where the magic happens. The AI has created detailed storyboards to help visualize each scene. Each of these is a keyframe that will later turn into an animated scene. Since AnimateAI is in beta 1.0, you'll see a section down here about the latest updates. If you ever want to check what's new or join discussions, this is where you can do it. Creating consistent characters in AnimateAI is simple and intuitive. Text to image, share your story idea, and AnimateAI generates characters uniquely suited to your narrative. Image to video, use your saved characters across multiple scenes or episodes to maintain continuity effortlessly. Join thousands of creators using AnimateAI to bring their stories to life. create stunning animated videos with the power of AI. No technical skills required. From story creation to character generation, storyboards, and even a community showcase, this platform has everything you need to start making AI-powered animations today. Simply activate autopilot mode and AnimateAI takes over, analyzing your requests, optimizing prompts, and generating high-quality videos automatically. AnimateAI is the ultimate solution for creating consistent characters in animation videos. It leverages advanced AI to generate, customize, and save characters tailored to your story.
Detective Max received a message that would challenge everything he knew about reality. Max realized that understanding, not hostility, was the key to harmony between humans and technology. Detective Max received a message that would challenge everything he knew about reality. Max realized that understanding, not hostility, was the key to harmony between humans and technology.
Whether you're producing a single video or a full series, AnimateAI ensures seamless continuity with reusable character designs, outfits, and voices. AnimateAI offers a free plan that allows you to create animation videos at no cost. And just like that, we went from script to a fully animated video in minutes. All thanks to AnimateAI. Now I want to see your creations. Drop a comment with idea if you tried this. I'll shout out the best one in my next video. What do you think? Will you be using this for your next creative project? Let me know in the comments. AnimateAI offers a free plan with 40 credits per month and an additional 60 monthly credits for daily logins. This allows you to explore the basics and experience the ease of creating with AnimateAI. Upgrade anytime to unlock more credits, advanced features, and faster processing. Explore pricing page for more information. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI-powered content on IdeaPlex. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.